The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we're going to create some comments in Java. As always, this file is available for download and a link provided below in the description. You can follow along or try it on your own and then check your answer. We'll give you a couple seconds so you can download this file and then we'll continue on. All right, so let's get started. I've got our class and our main already created. All we need to do is create some comments. And Java actually gives us a couple of different types of comments. We're going to see here a single line comment. And if you're familiar with C++ programming, you know that 2 forward slashes creates a single line comment. Anything after those 2 single lines will automatically be commented out. If we want to have a multi-line comment, we can do a /*. Notice that Visual Studio Code went ahead and created the ending star and slash for me. This is what is going to end it. That's because our multi-line comment also allows us to do a partial line. That way I can comment out part of a line of code. Maybe I have a complex conditional statement and I need to just remove part of that condition. I can comment it out with a multi-line and test it. You'll notice that Visual Studio Code automatically puts a series of stars. This allows for a nice vertical alignment and lets us see exactly where the comment begins and ends. This is not required. This is just a common tool that we use to make things a little bit easier to see and read. Finally, Java gives us a slight variation on the multi-line comment. That'll be a /*, and then a second star. We often take this and go to a new line, and this is often used for creating automated Java doc style comments. This allows us to document our code. Sometimes there's some special keywords we can put in there to help reference it, and then it will create comments that we can then go and use for reference later on. Whether this is going to be for a library that we create that we hand out to other people or internal documentation, this is just a standard way of doing it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider looking at the other videos in this series on how to get better at programming in Java.